How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the door mirror from your car. The tools that we require today is some tape, a 5mm Allen key, and a trim removal tool. Now, in order to remove the mirror here, as you can see, once you move the mirror, there's two 5mm Allen bolts there. Now, to make it a little bit easier to get into, what I prefer to do is take this trim cover off first, so we'll do that now. All I'm going to do is just place some tape here on the very edge, just to avoid any damage. And then what I'll do is I'll get this trim removal tool, I'll get the very edge of the trim removal tool, push it in at the top here. As you can see, it's just down in between the cover and the frame of the mirror. And what we'll do is we'll just push down and then push that way. And as you can see, the mirrors came out. So all we've got in there is 5 clips, 5 spring clips, as you can see. Once you push that out, it just pulls them away. Now what I'll do is I'll just turn the mirror downwards. And as you can see, there's two 5mm bolts there. What I'll do now is I'll take out these 2 bolts here, either side. I've just pulled the cable up slightly now. It is quite tight, so just try and be careful that you don't stretch the cables or damage them. And be very careful with this part here that you don't scrape the bodywork. You'll see there's a electrical connector. So all we're going to do is just pinch at either end here, the left and the right hand side, pinch it with the fingers and then pull it out towards us, like so. And that's just your electrical connection there. So there's 2 little retraining clips there that hold the actual electrical connection on. And that's it, that's how easy it is to remove it. All I'm going to do now to make sure I don't lose these bolts is just put them back in the holes and then fold the mirror back. And then put the cover on. And I'll keep it like that until I'm ready to refit it. And to refit it is the exact opposite of how we've removed it. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.